Hey guys, Tony here, and I thought it'd be better to do a quick video for you to let you know what this product is about. Now, Lead Blaster is a web application, and basically what we do is we create some checklists. Okay, the checklist is very easy to compile together. You can see that we can create categories, and within categories we can embed videos or images, and within categories as well we can create items. And within items we can create bullet points, okay, and we can put hyperlinks at any part of this as well. And it basically creates these checklists that look something like this. This is a Chrome extension version. You can basically export this as a Chrome extension. You can also export it as an APK file. You don't need any coding knowledge. You just download a file and you upload it into the Play Store, or you download a zip file, you put it into the Chrome Store. And basically you've got a Chrome extension and an Android app. Okay, so what you can see here is we can just basically, it's interactive. We can just checkbox things as you're going along, and you can see there's a progress bar here, and also we got this area here where we've got some headlines, and we can put hyperlinks, we can put the videos, embed the videos, etc. This is what it looks like, okay? And here you can see we've got more hyperlinks, and here we've got banner ads, okay? So very quick and very easy to put these together once you know the topic that you're going to be working with, and you can get fantastic results. Now I'm going to get into the results in a minute. It's mind-blowing the kind of results that we've got for this. This is the most powerful lead magnet creator ever, in my opinion, okay? There's nothing comes close to this, in my opinion. I'm biased, of course, but when you see the results we get with this, there's nothing like this in the market. Absolutely nothing like this in the marketplace. Okay, so let's come in to show you some things. We can do push notifications in here as well. Anybody who installs the app, we can send them push notifications. So if somebody installs the Android version on the telephone, we can send push notifications right into the telephone, so they can't miss it, okay? And these are media rich push notifications as well. It's not just text, you can put image in there as well, okay? We can collect telephone numbers, so that we collect an email. We collect an email and we can collect a telephone number. Okay, let me show you one, what it looks like when people first install. It looks something like this. You can see we've got an email gate. We can collect the name and the email. Now normally what I do normally is just the first name and the email, and I ask for a single verification, okay? And in the back end there is an email cleaning system that will reject any emails that are fake emails, okay? So people might put in even a role kind of thing like admin@leadblaster.com. It would reject it because it's a role kind of email as well, and tell them to use a different email. They can use Gmail, etc., but not roles like admin or that kind of thing. So it's a very powerful system. When people install the apps, then they're presented with that opt-in gate, and we can have there the email, the SMS, and anybody who installs it, even if they don't leave an email, you can send them a push notification, okay? Very powerful system. Now with the push notifications as well, we have just recently built, we still keep improving these tools. If I come into the notifications over here, you can see we've got A/B split testing. We can give the campaign a name, and we can basically create some split testing, so it will automatically choose the winner. So for example, I might do 8 different messages that I'm sending out to 20,000 people. It will divide it equally, and the winner of the campaign, it will then resend that to the others that didn't get that specific message, okay? So you can do that, maybe to send out in 4 hours or 12 hours or 10 minutes, whatever you want, okay? That's all built into the system as well. Very powerful. Now let me show you something about results, okay? I'll show you a couple of things. First of all, the organic, okay? The organic, I've had one of my Chrome extensions had 18,300 users. 18,300 users from just the Chrome store, okay? Just from ranking, because these Chrome extension install pages from the Chrome store, they rank really well. I mean, really well. For example, if I go over here and I type in ClickFunnels 2.0 and I come down, you will see that we are on page 1, somewhere in here. Chrome extensions on page 1, and that's without any backlinks, and that's for a very competitive keyword. In fact, we were way up here before, and basically we just ranked with no backlinks, and I've been doing that consistently with the SEO side, just with on-page optimization, basically just sprinkling new keywords in there. So there's a lot of traffic you can get from SEO, but there's also a lot of traffic that you can get as well from the Chrome store, and I have a system for getting traffic from the Chrome store. So I had my first Chrome extension at 18,300 users, YouTube SEO checklist, very, very popular, and it was building at a rapid rate, like hundreds of new opt-ins every single week, okay, and that worked out really, really well. Now, I started to test with the Android version. Here's what happened, okay, this is kind of shocking. If I just bring this up, and this is where the real magic is. This is what the webinar is really going to be focused on. It's not just the software is there to and it's ready, it's got all the marketing elements ready. We need the traffic, okay, and we need the traffic fast, and here's how we get the traffic fast. Google Ads campaigns. Here's an example. 2,430 app installs for 18 cents each. This is in Thai baht. I live in Thailand, okay? This is in Thai baht. 18 cents each per install. Can you imagine? We can send them push notifications. We can send them email. We can collect SMS if we choose. Okay, I don't usually collect SMS. I've got a separate training for how to do that more effectively than that. But here we can, you can see I spent about $450 for 2,430 installs. Okay, crazy stuff. Absolutely crazy stuff. Okay, and this is how we can build email lists rapidly. And so the system I'm going to teach him is not just the Lead Blaster part. It's not just the app. It's not just creating Chrome extensions and Android apps. This is really about the traffic, and it's about the conversion, and it's about what we can do with that traffic afterwards with some affiliate campaigns, for example, that I'll take them through as well. So there will be some live training webinars after the webinar where we've been selling, so that we can keep them in, we can keep communicating with them, and we can nurture them as well on those live webinars, and people who can't attend, they will get the replays, etc. And plus there will be a mini course in there as well. Now what I normally do as well at the same time is I will give them like a mini course inside an actual Chrome extension. You can see we've got step 1, step 2, step 3, and it basically gives them a video of every step, and it gives them the things that they need to do. Okay, so they can see this is very, very good way to present some training courses as well, and they can basically watch the video, follow the steps, they can see the steps underneath the video, and they've got a whole system there that they can access from anywhere basically. Now the good thing about the Chrome extension as well is you can actually install them on Opera browser, you can install them on Microsoft Edge as well, which I've got here on Microsoft Edge, so they can access it basically from anywhere that they want. Okay, so that's the power of the system. I don't want this webinar, I don't want this video to go on too long. I don't want to bore you, but you can see the results. I mean, they speak for themselves. This is not hype, this is not bullshit. There's nothing like this in the market anywhere, okay? I know there's checklist makers and stuff out there. Not like this, guys. Nothing like this. This is super, super, super powerful. It comes with a traffic system, 3 kinds of lists it can build all in one time without needing any complicated software, without needing any landing pages, anything like that. No expensive monthly fees that you need to pay for ClickFunnels or any of those other kinds of systems. It just works straight out of the gate, and you can even update live inside the Lead Blaster app. You can publish via API so that the changes happen instantly in the Chrome store and instantly with the app that's on the telephone. You can change the color of the theme, you can take off items and change the bullet points. Any changes you want to make, you can do it within the Lead Blaster app and publish the API update. Okay, very, very powerful stuff. Thank you for watching. Now if you want to get a review copy of this, just send the details over to me. As long as you're able to promote and you can get some people onto a live webinar, I'm happy to help you, give you access and help you with your traffic as well, okay, so that you know what to do, how to drive traffic and get the best out of this. Everybody should be using this, in my opinion. It's really, really, really powerful. Okay, thanks.